Hello, good day. So today we're going to talk about how to replace the batteries in Lincoln MKC 2015 remote. So this is the remote, and we have two batteries, 2025 lithium. So first of all, we have to open the remote. There's a small click here. And then once this is done, we then have to use the screwdriver to remove this part. Now you have to be careful while doing this. And yeah, you'll have two batteries inside. So this is the first battery. As you see, it's CR2025 and 2025. Yeah, there's two batteries here and this divider in between. Yeah. We have the first battery out, so I'm gonna put it here. And minus is down, plus facing up, and then this little piece of divider again in between the batteries. And we put the second one as well, same position. And that's it. Now this should function now. Yeah, it should work. Thank you.